Namaste everyone. So today in this class you are going to learn chapter area related to circle from question number 9 to 12. So let me start with the question number 9. Two diameters of a circle perpendicular to each other and OD is the diameter of the smaller circle. If OA equal to 7 centimeter, find the area of the shaded region. Now look at the diagram given here you can see a bigger circle where AB and CD are the two diameters which are perpendicular to each other. So I hope everyone are following. AB is the diameter, CD is the diameter and they are perpendicular to each other. Means here you can see that I have marked here perpendicular, that is 90 degree. And given OA equal to 7 centimeter means what? OA is the radius of the bigger circle. So if OA is 7 centimeter, observe this, as AB is the diameter, so OA and OB both are 7 centimeter, and similarly CD is the diameter, so OC is also 7 centimeter and OD is also 7 centimeter. And you can see this small circle, this OD 7 centimeter becomes the diameter of this small circle. So what will be the radius? That is 7 by 2 centimeter. Now he is asking to find the area of the shaded region. So first look at this part of the semicircle. When you observe here, AB is the diameter. This diameter divides the big circle into two equal halves, that is two semicircles. So let us look the right semicircle, that is right part, this BCA semicircle. Now in this semicircle, I need shaded part. So how to find shaded part? You can observe area of this semicircle minus area of this triangle. I'll repeat. He is asking area of shaded part in the whole diagram. So let us first split this into two parts. AB is a diameter, so it will divide into two semicircles. In this semicircle, in the first semicircle, only these parts are shaded. So when you want this shaded region, I can take area of semicircle minus area of triangle. Now let us collect the data. OA is a 7 centimeter, that is radius of bigger circle is 7. So radius of small circle, that is R equal to, you can see here OD is the diameter and radius becomes half of 7, that is 7 by 2. And radius of bigger circle, so take it as capital R, and as you know given in the question it is 7 centimeter. So what is area of shaded region? So just now I explained this part semicircle area of shaded region, only this corner you can see this part. How to find area of semicircle minus area of triangle? And along with this two shaded parts, I need this shaded part. So what shape it is? Yes, it is a circle. So you may get the doubt that whether I should add this or subtract. Yes, I should add. Why? Because here, why I am subtracting? Because I have to remove the triangle here to get the shaded part. And here you can see the complete circle is shaded. So I can add to this shaded region, I can add this small circle area. Then I'll get all the three shaded parts. So area of shaded region equals to area of semicircle with radius capital R, that is 7 centimeter. So be careful here, you have two radius. Area of semicircle with radius capital R, that is 7 centimeter, minus area of triangle, plus area of semicircle with radius, that is small circle with radius 7 by 2 centimeter. Now as you know that area of semicircle is pi r square by 2 because it is bigger radius, so take it as capital R, minus half into base into height. Why I am taking here area of triangle half into base into height? What is base and what is height? Observe once. So you can see that in this triangle AB becomes the base, that is diameter becomes the base. So what is the diameter calculation? OA is 7 and OB is 7. So 7 plus 7 is what? 14 centimeter will become the base of this triangle, and height, you can see height of this triangle is radius, that's why it is 7 centimeter. So the base is a diameter, so it is 14, and the height is radius, so it is 7. Why it is called as height? Because you can see this is 90 degree, given in the question it is 90 degree, so this becomes the perpendicular height. Now half into base into height plus pi r square. What is this pi r square? This is the area of this smaller circle with small r. Now substitute. Pi is 22 by 7, by 2 is there in the denominator. Capital R is 7 into 7 minus half into base is 14 and height is 7 plus 22 by 7 into radius is 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. Now cancel in each part and remaining is 77 minus 49 plus 77 by 2. So 77 minus 49 is 28. 77 by 2 is 38.5. And when after adding we get 66.5 centimeter square is the area of this shaded region. Now let us move for the next question, that is 10th. Now let me read the question. The area of equilateral triangle ABC is 17,320.5 centimeter square. Means he has given the area of equilateral triangle with each vertex of the triangle as a center. Means A is a center, B is a center and C is a center. So you are going to draw the circles here. Is drawn, that is a center, a circle is drawn with radius equal to half the length of the side of the triangle. So try to understand. Equilateral triangle he has given. Triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle and the radius, all the three circles are of equal radius. So what radius he has not mentioned, what is the radius exactly, but we should find it. How to find? He has given that radius of each circle is half of the side. So once if we find out the side of equilateral triangle, then we can find the radius by dividing 2. Now let us concentrate on area of equilateral triangle. So actually what he is asking, find the area of the shaded region. You can see this middle portion is shaded. Observe the diagram. Before I find the radius of circle and before I find the side of equilateral triangle, observe the diagram how to find the shaded part. This extras you can don't consider this extra portion because they are not in the triangle. So what is in the triangle? You can see triangle is a bigger part here. Area of equilateral triangle minus these three corners. So corner is of what shape it is? They are sector. So when I take area of triangle, that is equilateral triangle, minus 3 times the area of sectors. So all the three sectors are same. What is the angle of sector here? 60 degree. So to find area of sector we need radius. Theta we know already, we need radius. And to find the radius we need side of equilateral triangle, which he has not given. So let us find now. Given area of equilateral triangle is this, and what is the formula? Root 3a square by 4 equals to 17,320.5. So what is a square? A square equals to 1,73,205. Why? Because we have to remove the point here, so that point will come in the denominator, and root 3 comes from here in the denominator, and 4 when you cross multiply goes to numerator. Now root 3 value compulsory we need here. So he has given already root 3 value, that is 1.73205. Substitute the root 3 value here. A square equals to, we got this, and when you remove point here, you can observe after point you have 5 zeros. So when you remove the point, that you can see 1 lakh you can write in the numerator. So when you have a decimal point in the numerator, so that tens, hundreds will come in the denominator. But when you have a decimal point in the denominator, that goes to numerator. You can see point after you have 5 digits, So you get 5 zeros with 1 at the starting. So now exactly you can see that this is exact number, so you can cancel with 1, that is 1732051 and that 1 and here 10 and 10 gets cancelled. So here 10,000 into 4 we get 40,000. So we got a square equals to 40,000 and a equal to square root of 40,000 is 200. So we got this. What is a? This a is nothing but now it is a side of an equilateral triangle. Now we need radius. What he has given in the question, radius is half of the side. So what is a? A is 200 by 2, that is 100 centimeter. Now area of shaded region equals to area of triangle minus 3 times area of sector, that is 3 sectors we have to remove. So 3 into area of sector. What is area of triangle? Already given, right as it is, minus 3 into theta by 360 into pi r square. So this is as it is, minus 3 into theta is 60 because it is equilateral triangle by 360 and pi value is given in the question. So write 3.14 into 100 is a radius and again 100. After simplification we get this, subtract we get 1620.5 centimeter square. So concentrate whenever you want to solve. The basic things in this chapter is how to find area of triangle, that is equilateral triangle formula you have to remember, and along with that you have to remember the area of triangle, half into base into height, when you have to use half into base into height and when you have to use the root 3a square by 4. That you be thorough with that and read the question thoroughly and write the data first. When you write the data, given data first, automatically you can solve easily. Now let us move for the next question, that is 11th question. Given on a square handkerchief 9 circular designs, each of radius 7 centimeter. Find the remaining portion of the handkerchief. So let us observe the diagram. Yeah, where is the diagram? Yes, here is the diagram. You can see ABCD is the square shaped handkerchief and there are 9 designs, that is 9 circular designs are drawn here. He is asking find the area of the remaining portion of the handkerchief. So try to understand, very easy concept, that is to get the remaining portion I have to take area of square minus how many times? 9 times the area of circle. So for area of square we need side and side is not given in the question, and for area of circle given radius is 7 centimeter. Now let us start. Radius of the circle is given 7 centimeter and I need to find side of the square. Once you observe this, to find the side, as you know that side of each side of the square is same. So to find the side I need to add the diameters. You can see from here to here 1 diameter and from here to here the second diameter and this is a third diameter. So when I add 3 diameters, then I am going to get the side of this handkerchief. So this is only main important here, but everything is simple. So we need to find first side of the square handkerchief. So what is radius here? Radius is 7. So diameter becomes 7 plus 7. So diameter of each circle is 7. So how to find the side? 7 plus 7 plus 7. When you add, we'll get the side of the square handkerchief. So now side of the square is nothing but 3 into diameter. So 3 into 14 is 42 centimeter. So area of remaining portion equals to area of square minus 9 circles are there. So you have to remove 9 circles. 9 into area of circle. So what is area of circle? Side into side minus 9 pi r square. 42 into 42 minus 9 into 22 by 7 into 7 into 7. Cancel here 1 7. So we get here 1764 minus 1386. So after subtracting we get 378 centimeter square. So this will become the area of the remaining portion. Now let us move for the last question of this video, that is 12th question. And note children, this is very important question. OACB is a quadrant of a circle. What is meant by quadrant? Quadrant is the 1/4 of the circle, and that is also, it is a sector with the theta 90 degree with center O and radius 3.5 centimeter. Means the radius of this quadrant, nothing but this circle radius, is 3.5 centimeter. You cannot see the circle here, but you can see the quadrant of the circle. So for this quadrant of the circle, what is the radius? O is the center, means OA and OB will become the radius. Given radius is 3.5 centimeter. And if OD is 2 centimeter, you can see here D is a point on OA. If OD is 2 centimeter, find the area of, two sub questions you have. Find the area of quadrant OACB. This is very simple. Area of quadrant is nothing but 1/4 of the circle, that is pi r square by 4, or else you can take theta by 360 into pi r square, where theta is 90. And also shaded region. So let us start with the first sub question. Radius is 3.5 centimeter and area of the quadrant. So what is area of quadrant here? I already said you can directly take pi r square by 4. Here you can see theta by 360 I have written. Theta by 360 into pi r square. Why? Because quadrant is also called as sector. So theta is 90. You can see here 90 4s are 360. So better you can remember pi r square by 4 easily. And you get here 22 by 7 pi value, because he has not mentioned in the question. So take it as 22 by 7. And radius is 3.5 into 3.5. So try to learn the calculations. Don't neglect the calculations whenever you are solving at home. So you people neglect the calculations, so that is not good, because there only you lose the marks in calculations. There only you may take lot of time in exam. So you have to be thorough in calculation and do smart calculation, so that you get a easy answer. So 22 by, you can see here, wherever you can cancel, you can cancel it. Remove the point, you get 10 here. Here also remove the decimal, you get 10. So cancel it. After cancellation, we got 77 by 8 centimeter square. This you can write in decimal form. It is a terminating decimal, so you can divide it, or 77 by 8, because 8 is a 2 cube. So it is a terminating decimal. So divide and keep as a decimal answer. So first sub question I completed, that is area of quadrant. And what is second sub question? Find the area of shaded region. You can observe, to find the shaded region here, I should find area of quadrant minus area of triangle. What type of triangle you have? It is a right angled triangle, because it is 90 degree given here. You can, because it is not mentioned in the question, it is understood that for a quadrant angle is 90. And now let us, to find area of triangle, we need base and height. So what is the base here? OB is the base. So base becomes the radius, that is 3.5 centimeter, and height is given already, that is 2 centimeter. Now let us calculate area of shaded region equals to area of quadrant minus area of triangle. Already I got area of quadrant here. So 77 by 8 minus half into base into height. Write 77 by 8 as it is, half into base is 3.5 into 2. 2 and 2 gets cancelled. Remove the point, cancel it, and take the LCM. We get 49 by 8 centimeter square. So this is the area of shaded region. I hope everyone are following, understood. Thank you.